My name's Grant Burgess. I'm a Professor of Marine Biotechnology at the School of Natural and Environmental Sciences at Newcastle University. We've been studying how to keep ships clean. If you look into the oceans, you don't find fish or dolphins or seaweeds covered in horrible sticky things. They're clean. And I thought, well, if we can try and understand how Mother Nature keeps things clean in the ocean, maybe we can learn lessons from that process and use those processes ourselves. And so we decided to settle on studying seaweed. We discovered, amazingly, that bacteria living on the seaweed surface actually contribute to keeping the seaweed clean. And we thought, well, this is really amazing. So we isolated a bacterium, a particular species of bacterium. We found that it produced a small enzyme. The amazing thing about this enzyme is that it breaks down bacterial slime growing on surfaces. We kind of knew at the time, the moment of that discovery, which actually happened in this building, that this was really important. To find a chemical that breaks down bacterial slime is really useful. It can be used to clean slime and bacterial sticky things from the surfaces of your teeth, from the surfaces of ships, and from other places where you might get bacteria growing.
My name's Dr. Michael Hall. I'm in the chemistry section of the School of Natural and Environmental Sciences at Newcastle University. My background really is organic chemistry, and we were doing some research into natural products, particularly looking for antibiotics from bacteria. So we had a level of expertise at trying to isolate bioactive components from bacterial fermentation. So when Grant came to us with an interesting observation of biofilm dispersal from his bacteria, we were keen to work out what the component was that did that. So the enzyme that we discovered, or at least we discovered its potential for, was a phosphodiesterase, and we realised that these work quite nicely to break down these bacterial slimes, the kind of sticky molecules that are holding bacteria together in their communities. So obvious applications for that are in cleaning products, where you find lots of that kind of bacterial community stuck on everything from bathrooms to clothes to industrial kind of sites. So we worked with our industrial collaborators, particularly focusing on laundry applications, because they had identified that there was a lot of bacterial residue type materials stuck on clothes, particularly on things like towels and things like that, and sports equipment, that wasn't necessarily released with current or with the older kind of generation washing powders. So by incorporating these kind of enzymes into new washing powders, it really helps to release that from the laundry, which makes the laundry smell nicer, and it certainly is a lot cleaner.
My name's Leanne. I'm a master's student studying toxicology at Newcastle University, but I've been working as a research assistant on campus for about 2 years now. I did my undergrad in marine biology at Newcastle University, and my lecturer, who is the head on the project, asked me if I was interested in working on a really exciting project with a new enzyme, and I thought, yes, it sounds like a really great project, and it's an area that I don't have a lot of expertise in, but it's something that I really want to develop. It's been a whirlwind of 2 years, and I've learned so much about biofilms, infection. With me being a toxicology student now as well, I work in the biomedical school, so it's really helped me to understand a lot of the information that I've been taught, because I've had this experience for 2 years, and I really think it's an exciting project, and the future work is going to be incredible. I've spent 3 years on and off working in the Dove Marine Lab, and we did a lot of outreach to get students and young children involved in marine science and adults. So we run lots of different summer schools from ages 6 and up right the way through to adults, and get them interested in marine science and show them what's on our course lines and how amazing the oceans are, what type of environments we have, the animals that we have, and the diversity of the species, and how they contribute to our ecosystem, how important they are to us. And yeah, it's very rewarding to see children love and take an interest in marine science, and it's something that makes my day. And I loved working here for 3 years.